Feeling anxious, overwhelmed, or just need to reset? Okay, let's cut to the chase and help you chill. It's been said, what happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. And in a weird way, the same goes for your vagus nerve. What happens there tends to stay in your body, affecting your breath, heart rate, digestion, even your mood. The vagus nerve plays a key role in calming the body, slowing the heart rate, improving digestion, and regulating mood. Let's activate it, your body's natural reset switch.
Number 1, box breathing. Breathe like this.
Inhale for 4. Hold for 4. Exhale slowly for 4. Repeat 4 times.
Number 2, hum or chant.
Or slowly say, This stimulates your vagus nerve through your vocal cords.
Number 3, the cold trick.
Splash cold water on your face or place a chilled cloth on the back of your neck. It sends a signal. You're safe.
Number 4,
Palming. Rub your hands together, then gently cup them over your closed eyes. No pressure, just darkness and warmth. Your vagus nerve loves this. It helps you feel calm, sleep better, and stay in control. Try this daily. No apps, no devices, just you and your body. Reset, regulate, return to you.
Ruminate. The space between thought and transformation.